Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this hair that I got off AliExpress. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick backstory. So before now, I've always been scared of buying hair from AliExpress because you guys that know the website, the minute you just type in human hair bundles on the search bar, a million hair vendors pop up, and the worst part is you don't even know which one is genuine or which one is not, and they all look similar, they all look the same to me, and it's frustrating. So what I did was, last year I went on YouTube and I decided to research how to know hair vendors on AliExpress that are genuine. And there was this channel, and the lady that owns the channel was giving out steps on how to, find out if hair vendors on AliExpress are genuine or not. And I followed those steps and I was able to get this hair here. And this hair that I got was from MSTOXIC hair, and it was really amazing. I loved the hair completely. I'm still using it up till now. It's still popping and it's very versatile. You can use the hair for any style you want. So because I was so satisfied with this hair, I decided to get another hair from AliExpress, from Isee hair on AliExpress. And so today I'm going to be unboxing this, showing you guys my reaction, and also reviewing the hair, if I would say. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are watching me for the first time, welcome. You are welcome to my channel. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do not also forget to click on the notification bell to alert you each time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's get started. So the hair that I got from Isee hair came in this nice FedEx parcel. And yeah, I got the Malaysian straight lace frontal wig, and the lace frontal bob wig was in the length 12 inches, and the lace frontal was also a 13x6. Before I open this, I want to quickly note that the delivery was very fast. It was less than a week. I ordered this hair on the 29th of November, and this hair came in less than a week. I've been with this hair for a while now, but I didn't open it because I needed to get a chance to unbox it in front of the camera so that you guys can see. So that's the reason why I haven't unboxed it yet. But in terms of delivery, pretty fast. But in terms of communication, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll just give the vendor a 5, because she tried to at least reach out to me when the hair had already gotten to me 2 days later to ask if I already received the hair and if the hair was in proper shape, which is nice. But compared to the hair that I got before from MSTOXIC hair, the vendor was pretty much in touch with me throughout the process of shipping and delivery. It was as if we were friends, because she kept on communicating with me till the point where I got the hair and everything, and I felt like that was really nice because I felt special. I felt like a valued customer, if you know what I mean. Well, yeah, this vendor tried to reach out to me, but she reached out to me only once after I got the hair. But I think the most important thing is that the hair got to me, and I'll try to open this thing now. Nice. So this is what it looks like. Packed. Yeah, it's so cute. I love the packaging, guys. It says AliExpress Isee, see your beauty, whatever that means. Well, it's cute. I love it. And at the back of the box it says I think it says the different hairs that you can get from the website. You can get the body wave, straight, coily, deep wave, loose wave, whatever kind of hair pattern you want. I think these are all the hair patterns that they sell on the website, which is nice. So let's open. Let's try this box. Okay. So this is what it looks like inside the pack. So this is the wig, and nice. It came with this 3D mink lashes. It's so cute. It's so cute and very long. Isee hair, thank you so much for these beautiful lashes. And it also came with a free wig cap, which is cute. I like it. And it has this card in it. So that's everything that came in this box. So this is the hair. It's a wig actually, and it comes in this plastic packaging. I don't know if I like this plastic thing. I was expecting it to come in a silk storage bag, kind of, you know. Can't wink. Hey. So this is the wig. This density is supposed to be the 180 density, and it's a lace front wig that has parting space of about 6 inches. It's a 13 by 6 inches lace front wig, so I'm expecting it to have parting space up till the back here. So let's get rid of this net. Wow, guys, this is nice. Guys, this hair is absolutely nice. Look at the way my hands are going in smoothly in this hair. It's so beautiful. It's actually the natural black. I think it's the color is a 1B. It's a natural black, and it's absolutely amazing, guys. Look at the hair came pre-plucked. The hair came pre-plucked. I don't know how to do this, but the hair came pre-plucked, and I think the lace has been bleached a little bit, or I don't know. But in all, this hair is so soft, guys. It's really soft, and I love the length. I love the length of this hair, guys. It's really beautiful. And inside the hair came with this desiccant thing, and this is the back. This is what the back of the hair looks like. It has this small lace at the back, and it has 3 combs. This comb here and this comb here as well. So yeah, so guys, look at the parting space on this hair. It's up to 6 inches, and it's been pre-plucked already. I love this wig, guys. It's simply amazing. I can't wait to install this hair. Look at how soft it is. It's the softest thing I've touched in a very long time. And I think I'll give the vendor, from a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give them an 8 or a 9, between an 8 and a 9, because this hair is really soft, and it's not even like shedding any hair. There's no hair coming off from this hair. So cute, guys. I forgot to tell you guys, guess how much I got this hair? It's a ridiculously cheap amount I got this hair for. Guess how much? It was Black Friday, so it was cheaper. I think I got this hair for about 46 pounds, guys. This hair, 46 pounds. Ha! Oh, it is so cheap. As in, I was so scared initially, like, let this hair come and let it be nice. So, well, it's really cute. Like, these people exceeded my expectations. I won't even lie. So, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be installing this hair very soon, and I'll show you guys how I install my hair. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to like this video, and do not forget to share this video to your friends, to your colleague, to your family members, and everybody around you, so that I can get more views. And you know, have a great day, have a great evening, a great night, whatever time you're watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.